The Car Vacuum. Portable vacuum cleaner with 16.4-foot cord and attachments. Model B0FCBTC8GR. This is another corded 12V car vac with LED light and a set of accessories to help tackle tight car interior spots. The listing emphasizes its high power and flexibility for small car jobs. The LED is a nice touch, helping you spot dust under seats or in cabin creases. The package includes multiple nozzles and extension tubes to improve reach. In my vlog, I begin with an unboxing and a close look at each attachment and the LED. Next, I plug it into the car's 12V socket and vacuum a messy interior, under floor mats, between seats, under pedals, and trunk edges. I'd show how far the cord allows me to go. 16.4 feet is generous for a car. During tests, I'd compare its suction on dry debris versus light sand or pet hair to see its real-world performance. Then I'd detach and clean the filter and show how easy, or not, it is to maintain. From what's visible in the product page, this unit seems aimed at people wanting a stable, no-battery solution with solid reach. Because it's powered directly, there's no worry about battery drain or charging time, but you are constrained by the cord length in your car's 12V port. Also, performance on carpets or deeper pile areas might be modest compared to cordless high-power brushless models. Some buyers may note the suction is good for daily cleanup but not for heavy-duty debris. Overall, this corded 16.4-foot model is a dependable, plug-in-and-go choice for car owners who prefer consistent power and don't want to manage charging. It's a practical pick if your priority is simplicity and reach over cordless flexibility. We share buy links in the description